Hey everyone! If you're seeing the IOMMU Menu Disabled warning in FACEIT AC, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. Just follow along carefully and you'll have this issue sorted out in no time. First, let's check whether TPM is already enabled on your system. Before changing anything in the BIOS, press Windows plus R, type tpm.msc and hit Enter. Now you'll see one of two results. If it says TPM is available and enabled, you're all set. FACEIT AC should now be able to detect it and you can skip the BIOS steps. But if you see TPM not found, TPM not detected, or TPM not compatible, then keep watching and move on to the next step. Next, we need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS. Click Start, select Power, and choose Restart. As soon as your PC starts rebooting, press the BIOS key for your system. Here are the most common ones. If you're using Dell, press F2. On most PCs, try F10 or F1. For HP, press F10 or Escape. On Lenovo systems, use F1 or F2. If you're not sure which key works for your device, just tell me your motherboard or laptop model, and I'll let you know the exact key to press. Once you're inside the BIOS, look for a section called Security, Advanced, or Trusted Computing. Find the option named Security Device Support and make sure it's set to Enabled. On some BIOS versions, TPM is hidden behind this setting. After enabling it, you should see TPM 2.0 appear underneath. Now it's time to save your changes. Press F10 or select Save and Exit, then choose Yes. Your PC will restart automatically. After Windows loads back up, let's confirm that TPM 2.0 is working. Press Windows plus R, type tpm.msc, and press Enter. You should now see the status saying the TPM is ready for use and the specification version should show 2.0. Finally, restart or reopen FACEIT AC and log in again. The IOMMU Menu Disabled /TPM warning should now be gone. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.